Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Macan door panel. To begin, gather your essential tools. You will need a set of plastic trim removal tools to safely pry components without scratching surfaces. Also, prepare Torx bits, typically T20 and T25, for various screws. A small flathead screwdriver and a pick tool are useful for disconnecting electrical connectors. Always work carefully to avoid damaging your vehicle's interior. Now, let's start by removing the initial trim pieces. Begin by gently prying off the speaker grille cover, typically located near the top of the door, using your plastic trim tool. Next, carefully remove the trim piece that surrounds the interior door handle. Finally, pry up the entire window switch panel. Once it is loose, disconnect all attached electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. With the trim pieces removed, it's time to locate and remove the fasteners. You will typically find Torx screws hidden behind the speaker grille and also behind the interior door handle trim piece. Additionally, check for any screws located beneath where the window switch panel was previously situated. Carefully remove all these screws, keeping them organized to ensure a smooth reinstallation process later. For the final step, carefully detach the door panel itself. Starting from the bottom edge, use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the door, releasing the retaining clips around its perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel upwards to disengage it from the window channel. Finally, disconnect any remaining electrical harnesses and the door handle release cable before setting the panel aside.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.